since I'm going to put my stripes first, I'm going to put my masked line above that line that I just drew. So I'm going to tape the whole thing in strips. So I'm just going to butt these stripes up to one another. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, now I know that one's going to be red. This next stripe is going to be white, but I'm just going to keep butting the tape up to one another is all I'm going to do. So I'm trying to not overlap. And this is doing my spacing for me. This stripe right here is red, then white, then red, then white, then red, then white, then red. So the ones that are white, I want to protect. So I'm going to leave the white tape on, and I'm going to pull what I want red off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal the tape with white. So if any paint's going to run under the tape, it's going to be this white paint. And that's what color that stripe is underneath. So this paint is sealing that edge so that when I go over it with red, it's not going to bleed underneath. So I'm going to start with a low setting on here. Just get those edges.